Hello folks, I am Marvel Master and welcome to the second part of the series where I explain how to use the Lipsync plugins by Georgydev. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out the first part. In the first video we made basic lip sync with microphone work. And in this video I'll explain how to use lip sync with pre-captured microphone inputs and text-to-speech. So let's dive right in. Now there are multiple ways to make the lip sync work, either with an audio file or with the live microphone as you saw, or with a pre-recorded microphone recording. And let's try this fast. Let's head over to the documentation again and how to use the plugin. Scroll down and microphone playback. How is it done? I don't really want to read. I just need the copyable notes again. Let's copy the notes, head over to Unreal Engine, open my animation blueprint, and for the real-time microphone input, we just leave it there, but copy the second version. Oops. Copy the second version somewhere down there. And the only thing we need to change is the begin play event to connect it there, and delete the custom event. And let's check the microphone ID again. Exactly, the device ID I need to set to 1 again. And what will happen now? When I start the game, my microphone will be recorded, and after 5 seconds what I just recorded will be replayed, and then the lip sync will be happening. So let's hit compile and save, minimize it. So let's hit play and see what happens. Hello, this is a short test. Hello, this is a short test. Yes, as you saw, it took 5 seconds, then my recording was replayed with proper lip sync. And now another version of making it work is with just text to speak. So if you don't have a microphone, you can use a lot of machine voices. So let's do this. Let's head over to the documentation again and how to use the Runtime Metahuman Lipsync plugin. Let's scroll down again. And this time let's hit the text to speech local tab. And again, I don't want to read, I just need the copyable notes. Let's head over to it, hit the copy button, minimize this window, and open the anim blueprint again. And let's keep everything we have so far and put it beside here. And as we did before, we don't need the custom event, but we connect our begin play to the new node graph we just pasted, hit compile, and again we have some errors here because of missing variables, but that's no problem. Let's right click the gray variables and create the variables. Is there another one? Yes, there, text to speech, right click, create text to speech variable, then hit compile and save. Now the text to speech will be handled here. The text is what you write inside this field here. Let's say, hello, I am a metahuman, and this is just a cool demonstration. Let's hit compile and save, minimize it, and let's see if anything happens. As you saw, nothing happens. Let's check out why. Because the voice model, we don't have voice models yet. We need to download them. There is a selection pre-selected in there, but it does not work if you are starting the project or the plugin up for the first time. So let's fix this. Let's minimize this, head over to Edit, Project Settings. Then we scroll way down to Runtime Text to Speech. And here we can download many voices for many languages. So let's just use Liam here. Let's download the model. Okay, Liam has been downloaded. So I can close this window, open my animation blueprint again. And now I can select the voice model, Liam, as I just downloaded. If it does not show up for you, then just hit compile again, then it should be showing up for you. So I select Liam, hit compile, save, minimize it, and let's hit play.
Hello, I am a Metahuman, and this is just a cool demonstration.
Alright, that worked like charm, and that's already it for the second part of the series. If you want to know how to combine lip sync with body and face animations, head over to the last part of the series. And as always, if you like this video, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!